Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to make a broccoli casserole. I've got 3 cups of cooked rice, about a pound of frozen broccoli that I've heated in the microwave just long enough to thaw it out a little bit. I've got shredded cheese. It's Fiesta blend shredded cheese. I've got American cheese slices. I've got cream of mushroom soup, 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. And I got some just saltine crackers. So this is a recipe my wife came up with. And she's always been good about coming up with recipes from things she's got on hand. Just, kind of use up what we got in the cupboard or refrigerator, and this is one of those dishes, and she's pretty famous for doing that. And then later on we'll come back as somebody in the family, me or one of the kids, say, well, Mom, why don't you fix that such and such you made a couple of weeks ago or a couple of months ago? And she'll say, well, I don't know if I can or not because I didn't use a recipe, I just kind of throw stuff together. So that's kind of been a running joke in our family, but I love the little surprise dishes, and so normally she just goes ahead and whips something else up and comes up similar. So she's a wonderful cook, and she does a fine job with it. So the next thing we're going to put on here is our cream of mushroom soup. Dollop that on there a little bit. We'll spread it out in a minute. Get it all on. Got 2 cans of cream mushroom. And spread that out. Just like use icing, putting icing on a rice cake. Cream of mushroom icing on the rice. If you don't have cream of mushroom, if you have cream of chicken, you can use that, or cream of celery. Change the flavor a little bit, but it still works, still goes together good. So now spread that out. Before we put the broccoli on, we're going to put some cheese on there. Some sliced American cheese. Just kind of place that on there. Kind of make a covering. Now I'm going to put the broccoli on. I'm going to place that on there. Since it's cool, it's not hot. If it's hot, I'd be using a spoon or something. But it's just thawed out and but it's cool enough to handle. And just like with the soup, you could also substitute whatever vegetables you have. We've done Brussels sprouts, which is one of my favorites, and you could use like a mixed vegetable, what they call it, a California medley or Normandy medley. Just various things you can put, whatever your vegetable you like. So after the broccoli, I put just a few crackers, but primarily going to put cheese next. And you can use whatever shredded cheese you like, or any kind of little chunks of cheese you melt, whatever you like. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of my favorite Creole seasoning on that. Probably about a tablespoon over the whole thing. And then the crackers. And, sometimes we use the little round buttery flavored crackers if we have them. So I put about a half a sleeve of saltine crackers, and this is about a 10 by 15 dish, thereabouts, a little bit bigger than a standard cake. So we'll put this in the oven on I got the oven heated at 375. We'll put it in there for about 10 minutes. And then I'll come back and check it and see if the crackers are browned and the cheese is melted. And see how it turns out. Okay, we're getting ready to take our broccoli casserole out of the oven. It's been in there about 10 minutes. And it's looking, the cheese is all looking melty and tasty and toasty. And I believe it's ready. So, hope y'all try this recipe. And please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll be sure to watch for the ingredients in the comments if you'd like to try this recipe. Thank you.